the phone. Say hi.
Hi. We're just going to the cafeteria before we go to our first class, which starts at 9 a.m. But I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get something small to eat. This is our friend Lily.
Hi.
Who's been showing love on the vlogs. How are you feeling about the first day of class?
I don't want to go.
She does not look in the best state right now.
I look like shit.
I'm tired but feeling excited to meet everyone, and just so interested to see how this class actually plans out and the formats of it. So yeah, I'm really excited for it. I got so lost and had to ask someone where this was. So finally here. Here's my first class. Don't take too long. When you think you're done, you're done. Don't worry about it.
Get all your stuff and kind of put them back in that.
Not too bad. It was just a drawing and imaging class, which was nice. It feels so good to be on campus and with like a bunch of people. These are just totally my people. Everyone's like tatted up. Everyone's got such good style. But it was a good first class to have. My professor was super nice. I have a class in a couple of hours, but I get to go home and rest for a little bit, so I'm just gonna go home and chill. But yeah, first class done. It was really, really good. Back in the dorm, we just got lunch. It is a beautiful day in New York City. The awesome way to start off the semester. But I'm super, super tired because we actually got home super late last night because we had a couple celebrations. So I'm still feeling it, and I think I'm gonna take a nap before my next class, because my next class is like 2 hours long, and I don't think I'll get through it without a nap. So I just woke up from my nap, but I'm so tired still. So I'm gonna go grab a coffee, but I thought I'd just show you guys my outfit that I wore for the first day today, because I don't think I mentioned it. Got my New Balance 550s that I've been wearing a lot, and then these Carhartt vintage pants I got from Untitled Rags, and then also this vintage oversized white tee. Mercer San Francisco regatta tee that I will show later in a pickups video, but really nice graphic. It's super fun, super light, and something just super cozy for the first. Alright, fit check. Show me through your fit, Liv. Oh shit. Let's start with top.
This is
Issei.
and then I thirst this.
Okay.
Color cute. And then Issei bag.
Issei bag.
Some jeans on the top out.
And then
Some Rosella. Some replicas.
this is my third coffee of the day. I'm really running low on energy, so I'm desperate for something. So I just got let out of class like an hour early, which was nice, but I'm not going to be conditioned for the next lesson because it is literally like a 3-hour class, and I'm used to like hour-long classes from high school. Anyways, this just gives me more time to run to the gym and also do some laundry that I need to. So I'm going to get on it and go do that right now. And then I think me and all the boys are just having pizza later tonight in the apartment. So I'm just going to pick up a bunch of pizzas for all of us just to have a celebratory get together for the first day of school. But other than that, first day's over, first 2 lessons over, went pretty well.
Those look so good. Bro, these look so good. These all look so good.
It's another beautiful morning in New York City. I'm heading to my only class of the day, It's 8:40 or something around that. I've got my coffee. I'm feeling good. It's my fit today. But anyways, I need to get to my class. It starts in 15 minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna walk there now.
Elevator to the 9th floor.
Thank you, man. Have a good one. I'm back home now. I just finished my first class of integrated seminar, which was fun. I'm still getting used to these long ass classes because I'm normally like in high school, like I had hour-long classes, like 2 hours max if I had back-to-back with the same teacher. But these are like classes are like 2 hours and 45 minutes, so it's like getting getting time to like get used to it and stuff like that. But my professor was really nice. She's really chill. So it was nice meeting her, and we went outside and we walked around Union Square a little bit and just enjoyed the surroundings, tried to get some inspiration for I think work down the line. But it was a nice class to, you know, start with. I've been waiting for this print for the longest time. I'm gonna put it up there, but just another thing to furnish my room a little bit. I want to show you guys it. I don't even see it. Oh my god, that's so dope. Oh, shout out Leobi for this piece, but it's called Smoking Room. I believe this is an A1 print. It's called Smoking Room, and I thought it'd just be cool and connects to like the theme of like socializing and like college and stuff. So I'm so happy I got this piece. It looks so much better in person, and the print quality looks so amazing on this. Anyways, what's your first thoughts about Parsons as a freshman?
I don't really know, honestly.
Real talk, are you enjoying it?
I mean, the classes are good, but it's just like they're so long and like tiring.
So long.
Yeah. No, but oh, the chairs in the studio class, those are really bad.
Oh my god, because they don't have the back?
No, they have. It's the one that's like
our
it's like room chairs.
I hate them because they don't have the back. I'm not having the best day, guys. I'm low-key feeling really tired. I'm kind of feeling like weird, like in my like throat and stuff like that, but not to the point of like a sore throat, just kind of like a blocked throat. But I'm just feeling super tired as well. I'm getting COVID anxious too because of this, so I might just go back up to my room and go rest. I don't think I'm gonna get any good work done if I'm just doing this, and I feel like I'm gonna crash, so I'm just gonna go back to my room and chill, try to feel a little bit better, maybe get a little something to eat. But yeah, that's how my day's going right now. I just have like the weirdest thing in my throat. Like, it's not a sore throat. I don't know what. Like, I can still swallow and it doesn't like hurt, so it's not like sore. But then like I'm getting these like chills, which are like so weird. And also I just feel a bit hot. Like I feel hot and then I feel cold. Thank you, man. Hey, so they're both negative, which is good, but I don't know, sometimes the rapid tests get them wrong, but I think I'm overthinking. And like I've had a couple close contacts, but I've been like testing like pretty much every day just to make sure that I'm okay. I'm following like the CDC, like what the CDC says, because of course they know better than me. Welcome back to the vlog. This is day 3 at Parsons of my first. This is day 3 of my first week at Parsons. I just had my drawing and imaging class, which was quite good. It was quite fun. I'm not too good at drawing, so it's nice learning all these new skills for drawing to make it a little bit easier. And I feel like I'm learning a lot, so that's good. But I have a job interview, which has happened pretty quickly in the past day or so. I applied for this job and now I'm having a little interview over Zoom with the people at the company. So I'm now just rushing back to my dorm to go do that. So hopefully all goes well. But I'm feeling a little bit better today. Still a little bit stuffy, but definitely better. So I just did my job interview and it went pretty well. The two people interviewing me were super nice. So I'm gonna go meet them next week and hopefully that goes well. And I think they want me to do a sketch, so I'm also gonna do that. But yeah, I'm super excited. I wanted to get a job in the US and no one's got back to me. So this was a quick and easy process and I feel like it was like kind of meant to be. And I'll be able to get to work with like other creatives and stuff and just like be artistic. Today I'm wearing this vintage crew neck I've showed you guys before. It's a little bit cropped, but it's quite nice. And I'm just wearing these jeans. I'm sorry, this is in the way. With my Birks. So that's just my chill fit. And then I have like a black oversized tee underneath. So I just finished class meeting. How are you liking your first week at Parsons? This is a first week at Parsons video.
Oh, true. It's only been a week.
Alright, so like, how are you liking the first week?
It's been pretty good, honestly. Everything's been moving really fast. You're about to get like I can see you from the umbrella. Yeah, it's been
Really good?
Yeah, it's been good.
Have you missed the fam?
My mom just left like 2 days ago, so not really though.
It's crazy because we had such a big hurricane last night. It was literally beating it down.
In just a few hours. The Western Hemisphere's busiest subway system shut down. Waterfalls.
But I'm gonna go get some food right now because I have my first studio class. And if you don't know, my studio class is 6 hours long. So this is gonna be interesting. So it is just turned 11 now. I'm normally meant to be in that class until like 3 p.m. It's a 6-hour studio class, so we do quite a bit in there. But as it is the first class, he let us out quite early today. We really just went over like the syllabus and stuff and our first project, which seemed really interesting. I'm super excited to get into that. And my professor is super nice. But yeah, I'm super motivated and I'm just super excited to get. I'm super excited to get into this project. It seems super interesting. I keep saying super, but it's such a beautiful day in New York. Thank God, because the crazy hurricane last night was bananas. But I'm now gonna go try to find some food because I'm hungry as hell. I would not have lasted the 6-hour class. So I've been blessed with a shorter class, but yeah. I'm gonna go get some food. Very good start to the day. I got 2 more plants from my shoot, which I'm super excited about. I'm growing my plant family. That was nice. It was nice to go down to Stonewall, and I love the assignment because, you know, I get to explore, you know, places in New York that I don't really go to. And I get out of the village, which is nice. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to putting this first project together. I think it's gonna be super fun. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on how that process goes. There really isn't anything else I'm gonna do this week. We have a long weekend coming up. It's a Labor Day weekend, so everyone's kind of just resting. So I'm just gonna be chilling, and I'm gonna cap off the vlog right here, right now. I'll see y'all later. Probably like next week or something. Stay safe, stay sound, take care of your people. Peace.